Our recipe for our berries lesson this month is blueberry French toast. And this is a healthier version of French toast. I'll start putting this together and we'll talk about some of the ingredients that this involves. And we're going to start out with our sliced bread that I've put into a greased 9x13 pan. Then we have 8 eggs that you just need to whisk up. And this recipe will go home with you also. Then I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of milk. Three-quarter cup of packed brown sugar. And this is all going to go into this bowl. Then we are adding 3/4 of a cup canned pumpkin. So you're getting the nutrients of the canned pumpkin, which is a good source of vitamin A. Then we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and we're just gonna whisk this all together nice and slow. So we're adding a little bit of nutrition into this. You'll never taste this pumpkin. This doesn't transfer over. It won't have a pumpkin flavor at all. The other ingredients in the recipe are much stronger. So it's a great way to add some nutrition without any different flavor to the blueberry French toast. So that looks about right. And then we have 2 cups of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries. These actually are fresh blueberries. And the recipe actually calls for sliced bananas in this, but I am going to add my bananas afterwards. I would like to have them on the top of my French toast instead of baked into it. So that's the great thing about cooking for yourself. You can make this the way that you want, what your family likes. You can add or take away. This recipe also can use different fruit. You can change it up. Whatever is in season, you can use that. Raspberries would be great in this. Peaches, even a mixture of other fruits. So that is all mixed together. And remembering, when we work in the kitchen, we want to make sure we wash our hands before we prepare our food. All right, so this is all mixed together. I'm just going to pour this slowly over our bread slices. Very easy. This is something you can make ahead. This is going to set in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight before you put this in the oven. This is going to bake at, let's see, 375 for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And you'll have a great breakfast. You could put this in the refrigerator, set it in there overnight, and in the morning pop it in the oven. In a half an hour you have a great nutritious breakfast. You have the vitamin A of the pumpkin, and you have the vitamin C and vitamin K of your blueberries. So I hope you try the recipe.